You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome once again. So, whenever we meet, we are always learning new things. We want to get or we want to acquire knowledge and skills. Yes, we want to aim. We are always aiming to improve knowledge and skills. Yes. So today, we all know fractions. We know that fractions, it is a part of a whole. Fractions are part of a whole. So today we are learning or we are focusing on equivalent fraction. Equivalent fraction. So someone will ask, what are the equivalent fractions? If we talk of equivalent fractions, they are fractions that have the same value but look different. For any fraction, an equivalent fraction can be formed by multiplying the numerator, which is the top number, and the denominator, which is the bottom number, by the same number. So if we have 3 out of 4, and we are to find the equivalent fraction of 3 out of 4. One thing we have to know is, with the equivalent fraction, we can, if the bottom and the top of 3 out of 4, we can multiply this numerator by all the numbers here. And we can also multiply the denominator by all the numbers there. So let's start. 3 out of 4 times 3 out of 3. The 3, we will multiply the 3 by the 3 and the 4 by the 3, which we will get 9 out of 12. Hello, are you focusing? So it means the equivalent fraction of 3 out of 4. 3 out of 4 is equivalent to 9 out of 12. Let's use the denominator to multiply the fraction over here. So with this 2, 3 out of 4, we are using the denominator, so times 4 out of 4. So 3 times 4 will give us 12. 4 times 4 will give us 60. So it means 3 out of 4 is equivalent to 12 out of 60. Hope we are all focusing. Let's focus. So to make a complete set of equivalent fraction, multiply the top and the bottom of the fraction by 2, 3, 4, and so on. So any number or any fractions that you are to find the equivalent fraction of it, let's say 5 out of 10. You can think of a number. Let's say 2. So let's use 2 to multiply these numbers to get the equivalent. So 5 times 2 out of 2. And one thing you have to make sure is, whenever you pick a number, you will use that number to multiply the numerator and the denominator as well. So 5 times 2 will give us 10. 10 times 2 will give us 20. So it means, therefore, 5 out of 10 is equivalent to 10 out of 20. Hope we are following. Let's do the last example. Let's pick 8 out of 16. 8 out of 16. Let's find the equivalent fraction of 8 out of 16. As I said, if we want to make a complete set of equivalent fractions, we have to multiply the top and the bottom of what? The fractions by 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's pick 3 to multiply. So 8 times 3 out of 3. 8 times 3 will give us 8, 3, 24. this 18, this 48. It will give us 48. So it means, therefore, 8 out of 16 is equivalent to 24 out of 48. Okay, let me give you examples, or let me give you a trial work. So next time, you can even try your hand in the comment section, so I can check if you are correct or you are wrong. So I'm giving you 3 trials. Find the equivalent fractions of the following. Find the equivalent fractions of the following. So number 1, 4 out of 8. Number 2, 12 out of 20. Number 3, 25 out of 30. Number 4, 9 out of 18. And number 5, 7 out of 14. Hope I will solve it and give me your answer in the comment section. Thank you.